Will you shut up your mouth? So somebody cannot just have fun with his husband. This is husband and wife affairs. Yeah, so stay clear. Baba.
I know why I'm sounding this way. Because when you I too the talk, you too poke nose, you too do this, you too do that. I saw it while I was coming. All of a sudden, best husband. I know why I'm saying this. Be careful.
Talkie.
Be careful. You all about. Give them one what for?
What is he talking about? Oh, my God, I miss you.
I miss you too.
Oh. Hey.
What kind of life is this? Eh? Is this what marriage is all about? Marriage I want what tibozo. Marriage I want what tibozo kwa one mad ka na akụ ihe aka ikugbo. Ọ bụrụ ka maka na nne na nna ya kpọgara gị nwa ha si gị lụwa gị werezi emere punching bag. No matter what she have done to you, there is a way to settle this. Ọ bụrụ ka iji nwa mmadụ nwere ọkpọ. Ka uti ihe dị ihe nke abiko kwan. Every day. Can't you trust your wife for once? I know what she have gone through because of you. But you cannot even endure even a little mistake because of her. Every day, gina akwe. Ki wure mu yilo lalo. Wure belt e manuko. Na pe aka eji. Orugo du maluko owo. Onye ona ho ihe ojo so ni ihe ojo ya, mo ihe ojo ga na emekwu ya o. Ihe nkwa wa ho ekuo. Nkwe deles okokosi ihe ejikwa etimkpu mgbe ebeburule nwa akwasị ka egbe hapụrụ ya nwa. Na oka makwa ko wanu n'olue. Ihe mjikwa etinye akwa ko wanu n'olu mo. Ihe adukwu ihe akporo marriage. I just give him everything is fine. Can't husband and wife play? Yet you are dying in silence. If it's not okay for you, you walk away. Go back to your father's house, even with a parent. Instead of you to die here. Then I look. Mommy, what come you hold your name interview? Now you might ajojo ndenepa. Mama ki huti hige ja kweba. Stupid man. I keep telling you, he's a coward. There is so many ways to walk away from her troubles if you don't want. Get no true loco. Who is here? Michael Jackson. Ekeremba. I'm not going to can you get me the kitchen program? No more mission gapo. Katari question. Why would I talk? Give them one mother. Asia Copa. Amaya. Every day, what I can no longer Papa. You lock her inside. Moto car, but your wife cannot go out with your car. You know, so many other one. Even in Dama, we look when they want to break one cabins. I'm not like you. I am allergic to evil. I am allergic to it. Treat your wife, she is your soulmate. Who about one compatible. Sweetie, honey, I am sorry. Peace, Adi.